Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin, and today we're going to talk about what is living pianos. Well, in a nutshell, it's my life. And it's your life if you have a passion for the piano the way I do. It's actually a double entendre. There are two meanings to living pianos. I have a video, what are living pianos? And that's half the story. The restored American and European pianos that are so rare today that we sell all over the world, have been doing so since 2006. But it's much more than that, It's really about living the piano. As a matter of fact, if you type in your browser, living pianos comes up. Now, what is this all about? Well, I was lucky enough to grow up in a musical household. My entire family are musicians of one sort or another. Piano's always been central. My father, Robert Estrin, was a concert pianist. He was my teacher, my sister's teacher, taught countless people from Billy Joel to conductors and composers and pianists the world over. And my sister, Corinne Estrin, also a pianist and a teacher. And nephews, my uncle was a professional musician, goes on and on. My life is centered around teaching, performing, as well as media about the piano. Videos, podcasts, articles. This is what makes me want to get up in the morning, having the piano. And my mission is keeping the piano alive in the 21st century in the United States and around the world. No easy task when you consider the piano has been on a slow decline for over 100 years. That's why connecting with people like you who care about the piano is enriching, and it makes me feel like there is value to my life. So I thank you all for joining me and encourage you to subscribe to livingpianos.com and YouTube, which you can do in the description, and you'll find a rich treasure trove of content I've been putting together for so many years just for you. Thanks again for joining me. I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store.